Buyer's remorse is the worry and doubt sometimes felt after a purchase. This is a type of cognitive dissonance. Effort justification is the tendency to alter our evaluation of some object or process based on how much effort we made for it. This is a way to avoid cognitive dissonance. The self-image protection view of cognitive dissonance may explain a common problem of many college students. Self-handicapping is the avoiding effort so that potential failure won't damage your self-esteem. Stereotypes and racial prejudice live on in our world today. Social prejudice is an unfavorable stereotype about a large group of people. Prejudice also often affect our behavior towards others. Discrimination is treating a person unfairly because he or she is part of some group, and it's caused by prejudice. Societal stereotypes are embedded deep into our brains. Implicit association test, or IAT, is an assessment of reaction times used to detect associations between particular words or images. The logic behind this test relies on thinking of the mind as a process going on in a machine. These tests show that racial and gender stereotypes common in our society become deeply embedded in our brain's function. A stereotype threat produces self-fulfilling prophecies. Stereotype threats are phenomena occurring when exposure to a derogatory stereotype about a particular group causes group members to perform worse. We constantly waver between conformity and nonconformity, and social norms are the widely agreed upon rules for what people should believe and how they should behave. Normative social influence is the pressure to behave and believe like the rest of your community. Solomon Asch performs famous series of experiments illustrating the power of normative social influence. Normal social influence in small groups are seen in the chameleon effect, which is our tendency to mimic the postures, mannerisms, facial expressions, or other behaviors of others. Social facilitation is the change in behavior brought about by the presence of others, and the foot in the door technique is asking someone to do something trivial before asking for a bigger favor.